Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 5 of the NBA Playoffs Conference Semifinals, May 5, 2026. Jalen Bronson powers the New York Knicks to take a 3-0 lead by beating the Philadelphia 76ers 108-94 in Game 3. Bronson scored 33 points and sealed the game with the big buckets, late to the delight of roaring Knicks fans, leading New York Knicks to 108-94 win over the Philadelphia 76ers for a 3-0 lead in the Eastern Conference semifinals. Bronson shook off a 2 of 8 start from the floor and finished 11 of 22 in 38 minutes to send the Knicks to their sixth straight postseason victory. Josh Hart had 12 points and 11 rebounds, and Mikal Bridges added 23 points, pushing the Knicks within one victory of their second straight conference finals appearance. The Knicks have the luxury not to rush back forward OG Anunoby, who's averaging 21.4 points per game in the postseason. He sat out with a strained right hamstring and remains day-to-day. Joel Embiid scored 18 points for the Sixers in his return after he missed Game 2 with a sprained right ankle and a sore right hip. Kelly Oubre Jr. scored 22 points and Tyrese Maxey added 17. Wembanyama gives the Spurs another gem in a 115-108 win over the Timberwolves to take a 2-1 series lead. Victor Wembanyama delivered another masterpiece with a 39 points, 15 rebounds, and a more game-wrecking defense for the San Antonio Spurs, who took a 2-1 lead in the second round NBA playoff series with a 150-108 victory over the Minnesota Timberwolves. Wembanyama went 13 of 18 from the floor and 10 of 12 from the line, adding 5 blocks and a full night of paint deterrence as the Spurs won their second straight game after dropping the opener at home. The Aaron Fox scored 17 points and Stephon Cassell had 13 points and 12 assists with a team high plus 17 rating. Anthony Edwards had 32 points and 14 rebounds and Nas Reed added 18 points and 9 rebounds for the Wolves, whose defense kept them alive after a woeful start but allowed the Spurs to shoot 6 for 10 from 3-point range in the pivotal third quarter. Jaden McDaniels put in 17 points with 7 rebounds. Let's proceed to the NBA Playoffs Conference semifinal games scheduled on May 10, 2026. Donovan Mitchell and the Cleveland Cavaliers will try to figure out how to slow down Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons as they face each other in Rocket Arena at 3 a.m. Philippine time or 3 p.m. Eastern time. LeBron James and the Los Angeles Lakers will try to maximize their home court advantage to turn the tide of the series and avoid a 0-3 hole as they meet Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the Oklahoma City Thunder in Crypto.com Arena at 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's proceed to the NBA Semi-Series standing as of May 9, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference. The New York Knicks leads their series against Philadelphia 76ers 3-0. Detroit Pistons lead their series against Cleveland Cavaliers 2-0. Let's proceed to the Western Conference. San Antonio Spurs lead their series against Minnesota Timberwolves 2-1. And Oklahoma City Thunder leads their series against Los Angeles Lakers 2-0.